दोस्तों, सिंगापुर बर्ड पैराडाइज का सफर इस वीडियो के साथ खत्म होता है। आगे मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ।
Diseases such as tuberculosis and rabies without getting sick themselves. So I think Hera and
And now with some fish snacks. That's all much how they swim. Now you guys know about how they're flying on land. Now let's let him swim a little bit more from those solo. Alright, one picture. Pose for everyone, please. Thank you. Now although he may look like a baby, he's actually a full-grown adult. This is because Asian small-clawed otters are one of the smallest otters in the world. Now those previously two mentioned layers of well, I think of as a water-repellent layer that has been kept warm in chilly water. Almost are mysterious and playful creatures. And some final fish snacks. Here we go. Around as always, goodbye. And a little fin. And one last one. There we go.
happy autumn. Let's give one more big round of applause for Rich and Moist Trainer.
Remember this. A world without
क्या बेटा छोटा वाला पूछा थोड़ी बस स्मॉल
I this.
और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हम इसको
तो दोस्तों, नया वीडियो देखिएगा जरूर प्लीज।